How does raw steel become a complete modern car? Follow the incredible journey inside a massive automotive factory.
Inside this advanced automotive factory, thousands of precisely engineered parts come together to create a complete modern electric car.
The manufacturing journey begins with massive steel coils, the raw material that will eventually become the structure of the new car. Before production begins, every steel batch is carefully inspected for thickness, strength, and surface quality.
The massive steel coil is carefully unrolled and flattened into precise sheets, ready to be shaped into the car's body panels.
Computer-controlled cutting systems divide the steel sheets into precise shapes. These will soon become the car's doors, roof, hood, and body panels.
Now the flat steel sheets enter massive stamping presses, where enormous force shapes them into the curves of the car's body.
Robotic systems now handle each precisely formed panel, preparing the major sections of the car body for assembly. The individual panels now come together, transforming separate pieces of shaped steel into the recognizable structure of a complete car body. Thousands of precise robotic welds permanently join the panels, creating the strong body shell that will become the foundation of the finished car. Additional robotic welding is performed. This ensures the vehicle's structure is completely stable. Laser scanners meticulously examine every measurement of the body shell to ensure no defects remain. Now, a uniform layer of primer is applied to the body shell so that the color adheres in the best way later.
A transparent protective layer is applied over the silver color, giving the vehicle a deep shine and protection.
The body shell is passed through a long, hot oven, causing the paint to dry and harden completely. Now fully prepared, the glossy silver body shell heads towards the final assembly hall. There, it will take on the shape of a Meanwhile, in another part of the factory, hundreds of battery cells are being joined to create a large battery pack. A heavy robotic arm carefully installs the battery pack to the underside of the chassis. This is the most crucial moment of the car's preparation. The painted body is joined with extreme precision to the chassis, battery, and motor.
The entire vehicle structure is then fitted with electrical wiring, connecting all systems. A fully assembled dashboard, including digital screens, is installed inside the vehicle by a robotic arm.
अब आरामदेह नशिस्तें और अंदरूनी पैनल्स गाड़ी के अंदर नस्ब किए जाते हैं।
Now the doors and the specific LED light bar are installed, and they are immediately tested.
A robotic arm installs the vehicle's specific alloy wheels with extreme precision.
And finally, after thousands of parts and months of craftsmanship, the fully electric SUV rolls off the assembly line under its own power. All systems are looking normal. Brake force is examined in detail. Laser sensors check wheel alignment. Water jets simulate rain conditions. From raw steel to cutting-edge engineering, this is the complete journey of a car, driven by pure innovation.